Have you ever wondered about the hidden flaws in sophisticated AI systems? In an unexpected tech unboxing revelation, reviewer Max unveils a new neural network chip promising revolutionary AI capabilities. But as he delves deeper, a startling flaw disrupts the device, unveiling vulnerabilities capable of compromising entire systems. The tension rises as the potential implications of malfunctioning AI are exposed, sparking debates on the trust and reliability of advanced technology. This narrative captures viewers' attention, challenging perceptions about the infallibility of AI advancements and the hidden risks that may lie within.